How to add submit button in Google Forms step-by-step guide 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add submit button to in Google Forms. So first of all, you need to open the Google Chrome web browser, and then you can go to the right hand side menu and search for the docs. You can just click on here. You can also just type the docs.google.com from the Google search bar, and after that it will redirect you to the docs platform, and then you just have to click on the forms from here, and then you just have to open a forms like this one. I've just a form opened. So here you can see it's a t-shirt sign up demo doc or form. So as you can see, there are multiple shirt sizes. You can just customize it, and you just don't have to worry about to how to add submit button, because it will automatically add it to the form when you finish building the form or making the form. As you can see, if we click on the preview button, if you click on the preview button, you can see here's already a submit button here. So when you finish making the form, and when you publish the form, then you can automatically get the submit button on the last section of the Google form. So that's it for this video. So you don't have to worry about how you can add submit button in Google form. It will add it automatically. So see you on the next video, guys.